Hello, dear students. Let us continue the lesson water storage and quality. Dear students, in the last class we learnt about old storage systems, new storage systems, and potable water. What is potable water? Potable water is nothing but water that is safe for drinking and does not cause any health problems is known as potable water. So, dear students, in today's class, we shall learn about water purification. Okay, students? Yes. So, dear students, we need to drink safe water and we need to drink clean water. And we say that rainwater is pure. But what happens if the rainwater gets dirty? Let us see in detail. Even though the rainwater is pure, while coming from the clouds to the earth, it gets dirty. Dust from the air get mixed with rainwater, while flowing over the ground, mud and other unhealthy things also get mixed with water. So the water from different storages might contain dirt, soil and germs. So dear students, how to get rid of these dirt, soil and germs? How do we get the clean water? We get the water, that is the water where it gets stored is purified. What is purified? It is nothing but the water gets cleaned. Okay, students, the clean water is water purification. What is water purification? It means that removing all undesirable substance or unwanted or unhealthy substances from the water to make it clean and safe for our use. So, we use purified water. Okay, students, we use purified water. Let us see how do the purification happens. So, you can see this picture over here. Here you see the rain falling in a dam, sea, river, any kind of sources of water. From there it goes to the purification center. This is the purification center where the water passes through the purification center. It gets purified here and from there it goes to the water tank. Where it goes to the water tank. Then what happens? The water gets stored in water tank. Once it gets stored in water tank, it gets supplied to n number of houses. It gets supplied to the houses in that area. Okay, students? Yes. So this is how the water gets purified and gets supplied to homes. Okay, students? Yes. I hope you all have understood what is water purification. Let us continue this session in the next class. Thank you, class. Enjoy learning.